In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Vids for corporate video communication. As the world of work evolves, so does the way we communicate with our teams and clients. Google Vids has emerged as a potent tool for crafting professional-grade videos that can significantly enhance your corporate communication. Whether you're new to video editing or seeking ways to streamline your content creation process, this tutorial will guide you through each step to effectively utilize Google Vids. We start by navigating to Google Vids. Simply type Google Vids into your browser or follow the link directly from the Google Workspace product page. This action brings you to the main landing page where all the magic begins. Once there, you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed. Click on this to proceed. If you're already logged into your Google account, this step will recognize your credentials. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use for Google Vids. This seamless integration with Google accounts makes transitioning between Google services hassle-free, ensuring you're always ready to create without delay. After logging in, you're ready to start a new project. To do this, look for the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on File reveals a drop-down menu with various options, among which you'll find New Video. This is your gateway to starting a fresh video project tailored to your specific needs. Next up, it's time to define the focus of your video. In the search or command box that appears, type in corporate video communication. This action helps Google Vids understand the type of content you're aiming to create. It's a time-saving feature that aligns the platform's capabilities with your project goals right from the outset. Following this, click on Next. Now you're brought to an exciting phase, the arrangement editing section. Here you have the opportunity to organize your video content sequence. Think of it like arranging the chapters of a book in a way that best tells your story. Take your time to experiment with different arrangements until you're satisfied that your video flows smoothly from start to finish. Once you're happy with your arrangement, hit Next to proceed. Now comes a very creative part of the process: selecting a design to start with. Google Vids offers a variety of design templates that serve as a visual foundation for your video. Each template comes with its unique style and layout, giving you a solid starting point to bring your corporate communication to life. Finally, after choosing your preferred design template, it's time to click on Create the Draft Video. This is where your input starts to transform into a tangible video draft. Google Vids takes the information, arrangement, and design choices you've made and compiles them into a draft video. This draft serves as a preliminary version of your project upon which you can build and refine until you're ready to unveil the final masterpiece. Throughout this process, remember that the key to a successful corporate video lies in clear, concise, and engaging content. Pay close attention to the pacing of your video, the clarity of your message, and the relevance of your visuals. Google Vids does an incredible job at providing you with the tools and templates to achieve professional results, but your creative input is what truly breathes life into your project. To sum up, creating effective corporate video communication with Google Vids involves a few critical steps, starting from signing into Google Vids, initiating a new video project, defining your video's focus, arranging the content sequence, choosing a design template, and finally, creating your draft video. By following these steps, you're well on your way to producing corporate videos that not only convey your message effectively, but also captivate your audience. Whether you're aiming to communicate internally within your organization or reach out to clients and stakeholders, mastering Google Vids can elevate your corporate video communication strategy, enabling you to craft visually appealing, impactful videos with ease. Happy video creation, and remember, your next great corporate communication piece is just a few clicks away.